Hello friends. So SEBI grade A notification has come. So today we will go through this notification. So in SEBI grade A we have vacancies for IT also. So you can see for IT we have total 2 plus 12 14 vacancy. 2 vacancies is for backlog vacancy, 12 is regular vacancy. So 14 is not a very small number for a regulatory body exam. It is quite a good number. So let's go through this notification in very detail. So the education qualification is same on like bachelor degree in engineering, electronics communication, ITCS or MCA, or any graduate having a 2 years experience in computer or IT company. Same wise age will be same only, maximum 30 year for general, for OBC and SC/ST whatever the age relaxations are there, that will be there. So there will be three phase. Let's go to mode of selection. There will be three phase. Phase 1 and phase 2 are computer based test and phase 3 is interview. So phase 1 will have two paper. Phase 1 is kind of prelim exam. It will have two paper. First is the general paper like quant, reasoning, English and financial awareness. Duration will be 1 hour. Maximum marks is 100. Cutoff is they have already given 30%. So in 100 we have to score minimum 30 marks to qualify paper 1, and then in paper 2 it's kind of professional knowledge paper for IT. You can see multiple choice question on a specialized subject related to stream. This is applicable for IT also. So duration is 40 minute, marks is 100 and cutoff is 40%. So in paper 2 there will be 50 questions and one question will have 2 marks. Negative marking will be there. Cutoff they already have given. Now coming to phase 2. So phase 2 paper 1 will be again common for all streams. This is descriptive test, essay writing, precise writing and comprehension will come. Duration is 1 hour, cutoff is 30% and weightage is 1/3. And for IT paper 2 we will have coding test. C++, Java and Python they have given. So people who have good hands-on experience or good knowledge of these languages, object-oriented programming, they should definitely apply for this, because there will be either pass or fail. There will be no marking for this IT, I think. If we are able to write program, produce output, we are pass. If not, we are fail. Duration will be 3 hours and cutoff is 40% cutoff. Weightage is 2/3. Like, and in overall we have to achieve 50% cutoff. That's what they have given. Means in descriptive test and IT total marks is 200. So we have to secure at least 100 marks. That too the total will be added with 1/3 weightage of descriptive test and 2/3 weightage of coding test. Let's go quickly to the syllabus. They have given syllabus for paper 2 for both phase 1 as well as phase 2 in annexure. Yeah, let's go to IT. Yeah, so this is syllabus for IT and they have given weightage of question also. So syllabus is very similar only: database concept, SQL, programming concept, data analytics language, Python and R. This is a very new thing, like, and we don't see this in many IT officer exam or banking IT officer exam. This we have to study. Then again algorithm, problem solving, data structure kind of thing, network concept, computer networks and cyber security, data warehouse and shell programming. Weightage is, most of the weightage they have given in programming concept this time. So this paper will be more or less related to developer work only, because more weightage is there for programming Java, C++. So whoever having good hands-on experience in programming, they will be having some advantage. Now for phase 2 exam, they have, this will be a coding test. So they have given topics: algorithm, data structure, string manipulation. String manipulation is very related to Python and R, data analytics language, regex search, data structure and algorithm, sorting, greedy algorithm, array, linked list, AQ. There will be language they have given: C++, Java, Python, and weightage are 40, 40, 20. So this is purely coding test. That's why the timelines is also different. for exam, let me show you. The application will start from 5 January and it will continue till 24 January. And phase 1 online exam is on 20th Feb. This will be very easy. Most of us will crack through the exam. Phase 2 online exam for all stream except IT is March 20, and for IT it is April 3rd. So April 3rd will be the date when we have to perform coding test, and then there will be interview. So let's start preparing for this exam, and in the coming days I will come up with more videos for how to prepare SEBI exam. Till then, keep learning. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Please like, subscribe and share.